Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your island and immediately tapping the recording studio to begin. This gets you into the session interface. Choose the monster you want to record and pick the microphone and input level, because different microphones color the sound and high input clips. Once done, decide whether to record with a backing track or in silence so you can sync timing precisely. Make sure to set loop on if you need repeated takes, and then press record to capture the first pass. You now focus on capturing clean performances. Record several short takes and label the ones that hit the groove, because shorter clips are easier to align. Next, use the trim and fade tools to remove breaths and tidy edges, and apply subtle pitch correction only when needed so the character stays natural. Once you have solid clips, stack layers, add harmonies and effects to separate tracks, adjusting volume envelopes so each layer sits correctly in the mix. You finish by mixing levels and choosing a mastering preset to glue the tracks, because mastering makes the recording sit better with other island sounds. Once mixed, export to the bank or share it so your monsters can sing together. Make sure to save session versions in case you need to revert. If playback shows clipping or distortion, lower the input level, enable a limiter, or re-record the offending take more quietly. This single troubleshooting step fixes most final stage issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.